Hi you guys, I'm back with another video, back with another one today because I'm doing a DIY slime video. Like, I'm so happy because this time I don't have Elmer's glue. This time I don't. This time I have, I do. This time I don't. My mom is so hurtful. Yeah, I'm so excited because I just got back from LA. LA was so fun. I didn't record it because my camera died there. Like, oh, I'm so freaking sad. And also, when I was in LA, I was doing a giveaway. So, guys, I hope that you got something. And all I need y'all to do is like, comment, and subscribe on all my. And I do not have a vlog, but I will start a vlog. That's why I just couldn't record, because that was going to be a vlog in LA. So, and I haven't done no pranks in a long time. And I will do some pranks. I'm doing a prank today. So, yeah, you guys, I will need y'all. So, on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, like, I record every single day. I start recording on Saturday. I don't record on Monday and Sunday. I do not record on them days because first of all, I have to do some stuff on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday and Sunday. I mean, I have to do stuff all week except for Saturday and Sunday. Like, my mom is off on Saturday. I'm going to prank her, and like, it's gonna be like so awesome. Like, so you guys, I'm gonna be in school. Yo, I can't tell y'all what school I gotta go to because, like, guys, I don't know. Some people might transfer me to, yeah, I was just about to say it. So people will transfer me to a different school. I'm so happy, and I do have braids in my hair. So do not think that I have, like, some braids in my hair. So, like, guys, I'm like so freaking happy because, like, I haven't posted in a long time, so I need to stop talking and get ready for my slime. So I don't have glue, I do not have contact solution, I don't have borax. So yeah, what I'm using is flour, a bowl, my flour is in the kitchen, and something to, like, a spoon to mix with. And guys, and I'm using, I think it's gonna be water or this soap. I don't know what I'm gonna use. And then after that, I'm gonna use some cooking. I'm at vegetable grease because to make my slime, you know, soften up. So yeah, you guys, I'll be right back when I'm done doing it. So you guys, I'm back. And it's taking me for hours. Pretty good. So that my slime is in here. I made my slime in this. I put grease in it, vegetable grease. That's why you feel. And I think my brother is coming because it's just like, if I was still in there making slime, I would have gotten in trouble. But so that's how you make slime. So bye. Wait, not bye yet.